Miss Rocco here. I'm really excited to be working with first grade this week. So last week with Mrs. Fusco, you worked on checking the picture. And now it's time for us to work on another strategy. So we have what's called a strategy spotlight. That means one certain strategy that we would really like you to focus on. But of course, we'd always like you to be using all the strategies. So what are all the strategies? Let's take a look. Here, we have a list of all the strategies that we like to use here at Brat School. So we have check the pictures, think about the sounds in the word, think of words that might make sense, look for word families or other parts you know, read past the puzzling word, go back to the beginning of the sentence and start again, try different vowel sounds, and break the word into smaller parts. So all of these help us when we get stuck on a word, which happens to all of us. So today we have one in particular that we really like to see you using as you read. The strategy we are focusing on today is look for word families or other parts you know. So let's start by looking for word families in words. Do you see the word family? If you saw "and," you are correct. Let's use it to help us solve. And, hand, hand. Great job. Let's do this. Okay, boys and girls, let's try this. Do you see the word families? I went ahead and highlighted a lot of them to see if you would notice them. So let's see if they'll help us solve. Ready? Let's do this. In the first one, I see ed. Ready? Ed. Red. This next one, I see the at family. Ooh, and this is an H brother. Ch. At. Chat. Now I see am. K. Amp. Camp. Here we see ugh. So we start with this sound. Ugh. Rug. Egg. Egg. Pig. Ooh, in this one, I see a blend. I see our word family. Let's try this. Pull, ant, plant. How about this next one? Ooh, another H brother. SH says sh, sh, L, shell. Now I see ag. W, ag, wag. T, n, ten. Og, j, og, jog. K, op, cop. F, un, fun. Now let's try looking for word parts we know in words. Do you see some word parts you know? On this slide, you'll find that I highlighted the beginning blends in pink, the word families in blue, and endings in yellow. We need to use all three sometimes to help us solve a word. Let's start with our first one. See the H brother is there that says sh, sh, ed, shed. Full, at, flat. Try them with me. K, am, p, ing. Camping, camping. Pull, ugh, plug. Tw, egg, twig. Ooh, this one has 3. Pull and ed. Planted. Smell. Smell. Dragging. 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 Spend. Spend. Trip. Trip. Apping. Hopping. Hopping. Now, I want you at home to try this last one on your own. If you said lunch, you're correct. Great job. Okay, it's time to try this strategy out with a book. So we're going to use this book called We Can Get Fit. And I want to show you that even in the title, I'm seeing word families. In the word can, I see the and family. In the word get, we have the et family. And in the word fit, we have the it family. We can get fit. Okay, on this page, I'm going to use the strategy that Mrs. Fusco talked about last week, which is checking the picture. We need to make sure that we're doing that. So if I'm checking the picture, they're looking like they are running. So now I'm going to go to my reading, and I'm going to look, anytime I get stuck, I'm going to look and see if there's word families. Ready? We, ooh, there's the and family, can, jog. We can jog and run, and I don't know this word. Oh, I see the in family. I see it right here. Maybe that will help me. Let's try. Let's go to the beginning. Sprint. Sprint. Oh, sprint. That means when you run really fast. I'm going to go back to the beginning now that I know these words. We can jog and run and sprint. We are, I don't know this word. Oh, I see ick. That's a word family. QU says qua, ick, quick. We are quick. Okay, I'm checking the picture and it looks like they're jumping and maybe hopping. So now I'm ready to go and start reading. We can, oh, I see ump. We can jump and, oh, here's the op family. Op. We can jump and hop and, ooh, here's the ip family. Sk, ip. We can jump and hop and skip. We do not, oh, I see the it family. Quit. We do not quit. Okay, looks like, are they stretching? No, are they jumping? Maybe you're getting ready to do a jumping jack? All right, now that I've checked the picture, I'm ready to go to my reading. We can do, oh, there's that family. Jump, oh, there's ing, jumping. We can do jumping, jumping jacks. That makes sense. We, oh, there's the ill family. Ill. We will get, there's the it family. Fit. We will get fit. Okay, checking the picture on this page. They kind of look like they're maybe squatting down, bending down, looking, but it's about exercise. So maybe it's squatting, or maybe they're doing a frog jump. And then in the other picture, it looks like they're jumping up and they're jumping up. Okay, so now that I've checked the picture, I can go and try to read the words. We can squat. Oh, I see the at family. Let's see. We can squat. What? That does not make sense. Oh, I thought they were squat. We can squat. We can squat. Yes, that makes sense. Don't forget, you guys, you always need to make sure that it makes sense. So Miss Rocco had to think about that, the fact that the book is about exercising, and that helped me figure out that it's squat and not squat. And we can jump up like, let's see, is this. And we can jump up like this. What are they doing here? It looks like they're doing some leg exercises. Let's see. I'm going to try to read it now. We can do, I see egg, leg, lift, lifts. We can do leg lifts. Okay, boys and girls, it's time for you guys to try in your own book at home. You're going to try reading a book, and I want you to really look. When you get to a word and you're a little bit stuck, say to yourself, do I see word families? Do I see an ending I know? Do I see a blend at the beginning? And those should help you solve some of those trickier words. But always remember, don't just use one strategy. Still do things like check the picture, think about the sounds, and think about what makes sense. Great job, everyone. I'm going to leave some links of some sites below that you can find some books to read at home if you don't have any around the house that you want to use this. But I can't wait to hear about it. You can always email myself, Mrs. Van Cherry, or Mrs. Fusco and let us know how you're doing. See you soon.